Welcome to ISLE. In this video, we'll cover how you can use ISLE in your lecture classroom settings. Now, traditional lecture styles involve things like writing on a board or maybe a tablet or on a camera, or maybe presenting lecture slides. And ISLE can integrate both of these modes of instruction using the Sketchpad component. So using a blank Sketchpad, I can do things like write notes for my students as I go through the lecture. So I can define, for example, the expectation there of a random variable. And I can also integrate lecture slides and use those as I would a PowerPoint. So I can scroll between those lecture slides if I want to. And I can add annotations as well using the benefits of that Sketchpad component. And when I'm done with class, I can upload those notes and those annotations so the students can see them after class is finished. Now, we know that lectures have their pros and cons. This traditional style of lecturing is a really good way of transmitting and summarizing a large amount of information, but sometimes struggles at getting students to understand the material in a deeper way. So to address this issue, instructors have a variety of ways of getting their students more engaged in the material, and that includes things like clicker questions, think, pair, share activities, in-class exercises, discussion questions, and so on. And ISLE allows for all of this as well. So for example, if I want to embed a question in my lecture slides, I can do something like clicker questions. So I can just add a multiple choice question into my slides there. I can have the students do that when it comes time. So when that slide comes up, the students can work on that question. They can submit their answers, maybe do a think, pair, share, and I can look at those answers there, and we can discuss the answers that the students have given in class, just as I would with clicker questions. And if I want students to do longer form answers or spend more time working on a question, I can include free response questions. I can have them work on a math problem and submit a numerical response. There's a whole variety of things that they can do as part of in-class activities. So ISLE is a great way of enhancing your lectures and helping your modes of instruction. If you want more information on how to use ISLE, visit isledocs.com.